Hello everyone, this is Aanchal and today I'm going to record this demo video by filling out the form provided by the university. So let's get started. Alright, so in the email section I've already filled it up. My short name is Paudil, my first name is Aanchal, my student ID is this, my course is Basic Computing, my tutor group is the British College, and yes, I already ticked yes to everything that I will finish this form honestly and realize that if my tutor says that I haven't, I will lose marks. I understand that I must upload my full code, and I'm recording a YouTube demo, so I need this form. I understand that if my YouTube demo is over 15 minutes long, I have to verify my YouTube account, and I'll put the chapter markers in each video section. I also understand that if I do not do what I'm asked, I will lose marks, and I will also read the assignment hand-in instruction before asking questions. I have already checked that. Okay, so Boose version. We'll just be running this. And as you can see, this is the Boose version and it is the latest version. So yes, I have checked that I have the latest version of Boose.dll. And so my GitHub username, as you can see from here, it's 0ap1. So I've already filled it up. So the link to my repo is so this is the link to my repo, and the link to my YouTube demo is I am currently making the video, so I will be putting the link later. And this link to your documentation site, I have created another repo, and this is my documentation site link, so I'll be pasting it here. So the total number of commits is 35 right now, so I'll be writing. I also need to commit one more, so I'll be writing 36 instead of 35. 36. At least 20 documented commits since part 1. Yes. Updated readme with full details. I have already updated my readme, so yes. Now use of interfaces. Boose interfaces to be used for all classes where in a code, and how I have used it. Alright, so in my code, first let me just pass this out, and we'll be going to our app canvas. So we currently are inside app canvas here, as you can see. I've created iCanvas and in my comment factory as well. So yes, I've used for all the classes where appropriate, and declared my own interfaces. No, I have not declared my own interfaces. For the unit test for all my classes, yes, I have done the unit test for all my classes, as you can see from here. So for if method, if test, method test, real test, while test, as you can see, I've done for all the classes. So yes, and unit tests are all in separate test classes, as you can see from here. I have done it all separately for all classes, so yes, for that as well. And unit test documented with XML comments clearly showing. Alright, so let us go in one test. So as you can see, I have properly added the XML comments. So this is also yes. Now unit test run and pass, so them running in the testing framework. Alright, so let's test. So as you can see, all my test is showing as passed, but sometimes the testing of the if condition test fails, but if I do it individually it gets passed. So basically there are many test running, so, but if you click into them individually the testing is passed, and you can see the green click again. As you can see from here, all of them have been passed, so this is also yes. Now design patterns, factory design pattern used for command generation. Right, so in my command factory, right, as you can see, the command factory overrides the I command and returns the classes that are newly created. So yes, for that as well. And we're again going. So again in my command factory, as you can see here, the singleton is created in my command factory as well. So yes, the singleton design pattern used for classes which only have one subject. So now the additional design pattern, yes, and it's under end so it's under app ended, and if we go right here we can see that it checks you can see that it checks the parameter and then executes according to the commands that is given by the users. So yes, to this as well. For the design pattern, I have created the decorator pattern. Sorry, decorator pattern. Now implementation details. Alright, so let's get it running in our Boose. So for the first one, we have the variables one. Alright, so we'll be testing this first. So as you can see, the program execution is completed successfully, and the link for its image has been given here. So yes, it is running. So let's get into another code, that is unrestricted real Boose. Unrestricted real Boose. Sorry, it's currently loading. Right, we just go here new and press that. You can see the program is executed successfully, and I've also link the image link here, so this is also yes. Now we'll be doing the unrestricted array Boose. Unrestricted array Boose. Array log not found. So I guess this is not working, and as you said, there is a typo in the Boose program, so it should pick logs equals to 5. Anyways, so I'm clicking no, and I do not have the link for it, so I will remove this link for now. Now for if, while, and for, let's get started with 3 ifs and loops. One unrestricted if Boose. Unrestricted if Boose. As you can see, the program execution is completed successfully, and I've attached the link in here. So similarly for unrestricted while Boose, we will be running it unrestricted while Boose. Alright, so we'll be pasting this here and we'll run it. And as you can see, again, the program has been executed successfully. And I've also given the link here. So this will also be yes. Double one is also yes. And I've attached the link here. Now for the unrestricted first Boose. Unrestricted first Boose. While new. As you can see, again, the program has been executed successfully, and it's drawing this. So this is also yes, and I have linked the link here. So this is also yes. Again, it is the same link. I will be writing it here. Now method class. For method class, alright, so unrestricted method Boose, and if we paste it here and run, as you can see, it is executed successfully. So this also works properly. Alright, so method class link will also be added here. Now, have you done anything that is additional and substantial? No. So again, no. Facilities used, AI used. I've already written it. I used AI for the guidance and debugging help, as well as to improve my XML comments. Similarly, library used, Boose DLL, MS Test Framework, MS Test Adapter, and Microsoft Net Test SDK. Other non-standard facilities used was Sandcastle. I used it for the documentation help site. And for any other comments, no. I now understand that I must upload my code to my bucket. I understand that if I do not submit my code before the deadline without adequate mitigation, then I will receive a late penalty. I must submit this form. Alright, so this is also yes. So thank you for your time.